Hey y'all, in this tutorial I'm going to show you some drawing with the different shaped tools that Illustrator has to offer, and I'll also show you the Pathfinder, Shape Builder, and how to make a compound compound shape, so punching a hole into a shape basically. So rectangle tool, I click and drag out whatever size rectangle I want. I'm going to get rid of my actually, I'll keep my fill in there. I'll keep my white fill. If I hold down Shift and click and drag, I get a perfect square. Lovely. Same with if I go to my ellipse tool, I could click and drag out this oval, but if I hold down Shift, I can click and drag out a perfect circle. If I want to move that around, my page, wherever I'm working, I just hold down spacebar and then I can move it with my mouse. Okay. So I'll put that right here. You also have a polygon tool, draw out something like that, pretty fun. And you have a star tool too, which is very cool. And there's a flare tool in there too. I won't show you that, but you can explore that on your own. Okay, so I have these objects. I'm going to draw another ellipse tool, or use my ellipse tool, draw another circle. Right here, okay? And I'm going to select this circle and this circle by holding down Shift. So that way I have both objects selected, or what I can do is click and drag to select both. I'm going to go to Object, Compound Path, Make, and what I've done is I've combined these two objects now and punched a hole in the larger circle. So it's just a way to create some positive and negative space, which is pretty cool. So that's a quick way to do it rather than deleting or doing some extra drawing that you might not need to. Okay, so we'll put that there. And let me go to my Shape Builder tool. And for this tool, I want to select multiple objects. Here we go. Go to Shape Builder, and what I can do is I just, you can see this kind of gridded area comes up, and I click and I drag, and I'm dragging and clicking, and then I'm done. And now I've made this like totally weird shape that, I've combined everything that I just drew that was so different and disparate, but using the Shape Builder, I've combined it to form this totally new thing. So that can be fun to experiment with. I'm going to undo that, Command Z, go back in time. There we go. And let me pull up the Pathfinder. So I'm going to go to Window, Pathfinder, and this is another tool that you can test out and sort of feel out how you want to work with it. So let me focus on this square and this star. And again, you've got to select two objects, and you have these different shape modes. So here's my Unite. So you can see I've united these two shapes together. Wonderful. Almost looks like a bow on top of a gift box. So let me undo that. I will move them down though, so that way you can see it a little better. Okay, and then I have minus front. So that kind of carves into the box. It gets is going to get rid of whatever shape or path is on top of the bottom shape. Okay, undo that. And then I have intersect, which is just going to get rid of everything except for where those two objects intersect. Undo that. And then we have exclude, which in this case doesn't do too much. So you have these different shape modes, and then you have these other pathfinders that you can test out too. Just another way to draw in the program to kind of make things a little easier for yourself in terms of using your time more efficiently. So check out the Pathfinder, check out the